rooting for all of you guys.
Colts fans, legendary
Never expected it to be easy. We've been through it, been kind of battle tested this point. We know who we are, and I'm excited to go out there with this group.
Like Carter said, this don't come around very often, and it's here.
That's the point of us being competitors, is being able to beat people at the best. Because you train hard and work hard in order to be one of the best.
Embrace the moment, don't run from it. Remember last year, it felt like we was playing for the number one overall pick against Houston. This year we playing for the chance to go to the dance.
Colts fans, welcome to Lucas Oil Stadium for the